Welcome to the office. Let me explain what we do as civil engineers in the land development industry. In land development, we are responsible for the site planning, the grading, utilities, and coordinating with municipalities to get a construction permit so we can build whatever our clients want to propose on a site. Where it usually starts is a client has a site that they want to develop. This could be a bank, it could be a fast food restaurant, it could even be a large multifamily neighborhood. So a lot of times we're brought into the process early and we're identifying any sort of risk that can happen with this project. We're understanding if there's existing easements, we're understanding the topography, if there's any existing structures. We're working with the geotech to see if there's good soils, are there any wetlands, environmentally sensitive areas. We're doing a full analysis, and usually we put this in what's called an SIR, or a site investigation report. We're also coordinating meetings with local jurisdictions, so we're coordinating with the county, the city, any sort of water management district, and we're trying to understand the permits that we will need for the site. What this does is it identifies risk, so sometimes counties will have different offsite improvements that you might have to incorporate, different code criteria, zoning requirements, and it's all up to us to try to figure out any sort of risk upfront early on before we start the design. And as a civil engineer, we wear a ton of hats. We have to know a little bit about development, engineering, construction, permitting, because we're at the very forefront of the project and we're there all the way till the end. As far as technical programs that we need to know, we use a lot of AutoCAD Civil 3D. We use a different mix of stormwater programs like ICPR, StormCAD, HydroCAD. We use Bluebeam for our markups and PDF readers. And if you're doing any utility infrastructure, you have to know a little bit about WaterCAD. What we do might not be sexy, it might not be rocket science, but there's always a puzzle to be solved. Every project is different, and you have every opportunity to build your own practice. Hope this helps.